Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matthew here at Barn Fresh Classics in Biddeford, Maine. You can check us out online at barnfreshclassics.com, see all the inventory we have to offer. You can also check us out on Facebook. Facebook is the best way to see our updated inventory, as we always do list there first. So today, guys, got a beautiful frame-off restored 85 K15 High Sierra GMC, factory short bed, factory High Sierra. Again, nut and bolt restoration that was done about a few years ago, but obviously still showing very, very nicely. Paint and body is immaculate. There's no scratches, no dings, no blisters. There's not even really a stone chip. So again, absolutely beautiful. It's got a small block in it. It's got the 4-speed with the granny gear. Cruises down the road. I've put about 100 miles on this truck, and it cruises down the road absolutely wonderfully. You know, modest lift. It's got 35-inch tires, so it does drive. It still retains its drivability. It really drives down the road super, super nice. But yeah, paint and body absolutely gorgeous. Everything's new on it. Chrome grills, stainless, totally done up. You can eat off the engine bay. You can eat off underneath. Just an absolutely beautiful, beautiful truck, and 4-speed to boot does not hurt at all. Oh, we got somebody coming in here. Sorry guys, this one's in my garage, so I'm actually shooting this in my neighborhood, but anyway, again, just a absolutely beautiful truck. Frame off restored, no stories, everything works as it should. Has a couple little blemishes on the interior, which I will go over with you guys, but absolutely beautiful truck. You know, the bed's all nice and painted, no dings, no dents, nothing like that. You know, frame was all blasted, painted, so it's real clean, guys. Get inside and show you the interior. So it does have a little bit of wear on the armrest there. As you can see, the paint in the cab is just as beautiful as the exterior, and it does have a rip right there at the piping, which unfortunately kind of sucks, but all the paint in the cab's beautiful. The interior is, you know, definitely a 9 out of a 10. All the gauges work, everything works. Let me fog up for you guys here. Work, even the e-brake light works. No cracks in the dash. Like I said, really clean interior, except for the little wear on the armrest, and then obviously a little piping came undone there, but super clean interior. Again, it runs and drives down the road absolutely beautifully. It doesn't ride like a typical, like, jacked up truck. We've had trucks, like, you know, we've had K10s, K15s, you know, jacked up 8 inches with 39.5-inch tires. And, you know, those things are awesome, but man, they ride down the road like a rock. This one with a modest lift, 35-inch tires, it just really cruises down the road. Super nice. I can't stress to you guys how nice the paint is. I'm not going to say it's show quality because that gets me in trouble, but man, oh man, it is beautiful. Again, no rust issues, no blisters, no dings, no scratches. I don't even think I could find a stone chip on here, guys. But man, oh man, it's a beautiful color. Not the original color, but very well done. Plus, I actually dig the forest green a lot better. But man, oh man, guys, it's a beauty. Super clean. Now here at Barn Fresh Classics, we do own all our own vehicles. We don't do any consignments, so everything you see that we have for sale, we actually go out, look at, buy with our own money. You know, we don't like to deal with consignments, so that way you know that, you know, we're not selling you something that we're trying to get rid of and just collecting a percentage off of it. We also can assist you with shipping. We can get this right to your door. So if you have any questions, concerns, you want more pictures, more video, just give me a call. My name's Matthew, 207-400-5326. We're here to help you make an informed purchase. And I mean, 95% of our vehicles are sold sight unseen. Very honest about what we're selling. And everything we sell is turnkey. So you can get your vehicle and you're ready to go. Again, guys, 85 K15. True factory short bed, true factory high Sierra, a lot of options to it. It's got AC, 4-speed, which is just absolutely awesome driving around this whole thing. But let's take a look under the hood. Like I said, guys, you can absolutely eat off the engine bay. Super clean. I mean, look at that firewall. The inner fenders, the skirts, everything like that. It's just beautiful shape. You know, the motor, no ticks, no knocks, no leaks, no smoke. Super clean. Again, everybody knows these things are just going crazy in value. And I mean, if you're looking for an investor grade, this is definitely it. This truck is just so clean. And again, if you guys got any questions, you guys need more photos, you want some more video, anything like that, give me a call. My name is Matthew, 207-400-5326. I always pick up. And we're just here to make you, help you make an informed purchase. Again, if you need a quote on shipping or you need assistance getting it shipped right to your door, we can definitely help you with that. But if you guys are looking for a short box, square body, this is the one, guys. This is the one. Do not miss out on this truck. Take care.